what's up guys, it's time to talk about Xiaomi. Xiaomi shocked the world when they first showed off their Mi Mix Alpha device. It looked absolutely unreal, being the first device in the world with a wraparound display. Unfortunately, we couldn't see this phone in the market because of production issues. But seems like Xiaomi is not giving up on the dream. Out comes the patent of the Mi Mix 4 that describes a brand new design that is kind of like wraparound display but a little less crazy. Based on this patent, we have very realistic concept renders which kind of show how this device will look in absolute real life. So the front of the phone is completely screen, like all screen. You won't find any phone that looks like this on the market. Of course, with the exception of Mi Mix Alpha, it completely wraps around the device like a next level of the waterfall display design. And unlike the Mi Mix Alpha, the screen only goes back to a certain limit. On the Mi Mix Alpha, we have a large screen area on the back of the device along with the camera lineup, and that raised the issue of durability because there's just too much display. Whereas this one is not that crazy, only has this extreme edge curves on the side. This is what's gonna make this phone looks absolutely incredible with that full-on screen look. Xiaomi is an amazing company. They recently launched a phone called Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro 5G. It's got Snapdragon 865, 108 megapixel camera, 5x optical and almost lossless 10x zoom. Very similar specs to the Galaxy S20 Ultra but almost half the price. Yes, it's costing around $700, which gives Xiaomi a space to have a proper high-end flagship device. I mean, the Mi 10 Pro 5G is already a flagship device as far as the specs are concerned, but in this era we need something different, something crazy. Like what Samsung did with this Galaxy Z Flip. This is Xiaomi's way of bringing something entirely different to the market, and honestly guys, Mi Mix 4 looks absolutely incredible. Now based on what Xiaomi did with the Mi 10 Pro and the Mi Mix Alpha, we can expect the Mi Mix 4 to have the same camera setup of the Mi 10 Pro family, which will include the 108 megapixel camera along with 5x optical zoom, ultra wide angle lens, a depth sensor. You get everything you need on this device. Of course, 5G and Snapdragon 865 under the hood. Once again, this is coming from patent and it's very similar to the Mi Mix Alpha but just a little less crazier. It looks absolutely stunning, something that I would love to see on the market. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding this phone. Also, Xiaomi has been working on an under display screen camera technology as well. We have seen their demo a couple of months ago, and according to some rumors, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 could be one of the first phone on the market to have a under display camera system. Again, nothing is entirely confirmed, but their patent as well as their under display camera technology, if all of that is on the Mi Mix 4, I think this is going to be an insane device. So that's all for this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about the Mi Mix 4 and its crazy design. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I'm actually giving away Galaxy S20 and S20 Ultra, so if you want to enter this, do check the link in the description. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.